Hey everyone, welcome to HoverX. I'm Subham. In today's video, we are exploring the invalid CSS pseudo-class. If you are building forms, this little feature can save you a ton of time while improving the user experience. So let's get started. So let's understand what is invalid pseudo-class. So it lets you style the form fields based on whether the data entered meets the certain validation criteria. It's like a conditional styling trick. If the user enters the incorrect data, the input gets invalid status. Let's take an email input field as an example. In HTML, we define an input like input type equals to email. By default, this expects a valid email format. But for now, if I enter an invalid email, there is no styling changes as you can see. Now we can use input invalid in CSS to style the input when the user enters incorrect data. Let's look at this in action. If we type an invalid email, the input turns red, showing a clear visual cue to the user. Now as soon as I type a valid email address, the error goes away. We can also use pattern attributes with the invalid pseudo class. Let's say we want a phone number input with a specific format. This regex expression enforces that max 10-digit number is entered. Now if the user enters anything other than 10-digit number, it will be marked as invalid. So that's the invalid pseudo class, a simple but powerful way to enhance the validation visually. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to HoverX for watching more front-end development video. Thanks for watching.